Bro, you gotta learn how to drive, bro. And then if you deliberately run into a police car, then that's really your fault. You know what I'm saying? That'd be people's problem, bro. Oh, he don't get no fuck.
Oh, hey, get on the fucking ground!
LA City 911, operator 376.
Damn.
CHP with a transit for a hit and run. Go ahead, sir.
Oh yeah, hi. So I just was involved in a hit and run crash. It's I think I got the correct plate for it, but it was
Does anyone need a paramedic?
no, everyone's fine. I parked on the side. I moved the car was able to still move to the side, so it's all good. I'm not obstructing traffic or anything like that.
Is there any city property involved? Any street signs, light poles, fire hydrants?
No, but the car that hit me was from the water and power, so maybe yes.
The car that hit you was a DWP truck?
Yeah.
Okay, how how could you tell? Did it have like the city emblem, or how did you know it was a city truck?
It had water and power. It had a California exempt plate. I also have the plate number, but it just said water and power on the side.
Okay,
So, yeah.
and so they didn't stop?
No, they didn't stop. They just left.
Where did the accident happen, sir?
At the corner, well, not on the corner, but just on the closest cross streets would be Laurel Canyon Boulevard and Osborne Street.
Did you see who was driving that car? Was it a man or a woman?
It was a male.
White,
Oh,
black,
yeah.
Hispanic, or Asian?
He looked Hispanic.
LA City 911, operator 498.
Hi, good evening. I'm calling to report. There was a white gentleman driving a fire department car vehicle. It was DWP. It was a DWP, and he just took the red light. I don't know if it was stolen because the guy was shirtless, and he went in the middle of traffic, and he was heading north down San Fernando Road.
You saw this at San Fernando Road and what cross street?
He almost hit us.
Yes.
Paxton.
Paxton?
And
There's somebody else
Road,
calling.
yes. And he was
what time did this happen?
just right now.
Okay. And what color? It was a pickup truck or what kind of DWP car?
It was a white DWP.
Is that a pickup truck or what kind of car was it?
Looks like an SUV.
SUV.
An SUV?
Yes.
Okay. Were you able to see the license plate of the SUV of the DWP car?
No, because he almost went. Had the green light, and he almost went right into us.
Oh, he was tweaking out.
Okay. Hold on just one moment, please. Hold on.
LA City 911, operator 593.
Hi. They just crashed a guy with the water and power truck. Crashed into my mother-in-law's house, and
Damn.
he hit my mother-in-law, my boyfriend.
Does anybody need an ambulance?
Yeah. Well, I don't think they need an ambulance.
Okay, so a DWP truck hit your house and hit your mother?
Yes, he was a guy with tattoos, and I guess he was drunk or something.
Is he still there?
No,
Ran
he
to the
left.
crib, though. And then left.
And the truck said LADWP on it?
Yes.
Okay. What's your address?
It's Laurel Canyon Boulevard.
Okay, your name? Is your number?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Were you able to get the license plate number on the truck?
No.
What color was it?
What color was
Was
it?
it a white DWP truck?
Yes.
Okay, we'll send the police out there.
Thank you.
Ran the plate. Wait, they're making something.
Okay, no. Just go. Oh, that's the truck right there. Oh, no, SUV. One. Stop. Good.
Yeah, same as web. over. On the V? Good. Alright, we're just going pursuit, bro. Yeah? Yeah. Is it start now? Yeah.
Holy bullshit. And he's not even driving that fast though. It don't seem like it at least.
16936, we're going to be in pursuit of the ADW truck going in the DWP incident. Eastbound went from Amboy. Requested back with airship supervisor.
Any rally traffic, AME 6NX8 10 Laurel Canyon Boulevard for a key injury incident 3627.
666, how to be injury?
What are they doing? Going in circles?
Correction, okay.
Oh, he's bored.
6936, what's the
He's bored.
what's the ET on the back of the airship supervisor?
That boy say, I'm finna spin him around real quick, hit the gas, go through the lights.
Hold. Hold. Go. 6X36, we going eastbound Tuxford from west.
As long as they don't lose sight of him, they good though.
6X05.
We're in the PA. We're in the PA, dude. 16X36, we're going in pursuit of the BBW suspect vehicle. We're going to be going eastbound Tuxford from Cayuga, approaching San Fernando. Southbound.
Frequency standby 16X36 is in pursuit of the vehicle suspect. He's on to from Cayuga, approaching San Fernando.
Slow down. 16X36, southbound 5 Freeway, approaching Penrose.
Oh yeah, then he hopped on the highway with it. Where he end up going though? Damn.
Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officers coming up that ramp. He's facing your way. Coming down the ramp. Get up!
I'm alright.
Off the freeway, go down to, it's going to take you over the 5 freeway. You're going to have to U-turn, get back on the other way. Officers coming off that off-ramp, your next right. Your next right. He went to this parking lot. Next right, follow it up. I have the vehicle. Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officers coming up that ramp. He's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the officer. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way.
So just to
Officers coming up that ramp. He's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp towards the officer.
Hey, rescue team on the side, get that dude out.
Let's continue to move the vehicle. Looks like he's reversing. Attempting to turn the vehicle.
Get that dude out.
Suspect is continuing to move the vehicle, reversing.
What? What?
Suspect is ramming the... He's coming forward, ramming the police car. Suspect is ramming the police car. He's southbound on Edenhurst. He's coming forward, ramming the police car. Suspect is ramming the police car. He's southbound on Edenhurst. He's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officers come up that ramp. He's facing your way. He's coming down the ramp toward the officer.
Damn.
Hold on, he's turning around. He's turning around. He's going to be facing your way. Officers coming up that ramp. He's facing your way.
Hey, get out the fuck! the ground! Get on the ground!
Hold on, you turn around. You turn around, he's going to be facing your way. Officers coming up that ramp, he's facing your way. Coming down the ramp towards the officer.
See, that was the first. I thought that boy was over with, honestly. I thought he was over with. I already knew he was ready to shoot at that point.
Hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Hands up!
Facing your way. He's going to run. He's coming down the ramp. No, wait, no.
What?
West of San Fernando.
69120, I'm at scene. I'm going to be in.
So this after they done already shot them, the 3 dudes that shot. They got a bird in the sky.
Guys! Stop! We have one person giving commands on this side. One person giving commands. Yeah, I'm telling them to be quiet. Tell him we don't want to hurt him. We don't want to hurt him. He just wants to get out.
Hey,
that's close enough.
3 birds up there.
We got enough time. We got enough time.
I'll take their locations in Edenhurst. They're going to be on Edenhurst.
Grab some less lethal. Just grab some less lethal. Do you have any there? Taser? All right.
Pull another shot maybe up here.
The car's disabled, bro. It's not going anywhere.
But at least you have cover over here.
Responding to the helicopter. Better location is Edenhurst and the Colorado Freeway exit westbound.
Manuel Monarca. He's on parole for ADW.
Oh. Okay.
Hey, if we no, not with the shots. Hey, if we start up again, you're primary. Hey, Butler, if he starts to go, Guzman, you're going to be primary. You're going to be secondary, okay?
That boy,
I
hella
need
call
other
out.
units to block this side of the parking lot. Hey, bring your car over here. Actually, bring your car over here on this side.
They got a whole perimeter
Can you move
set.
this shop up here? This shop right here if you can.
Stand by. Vehicles moving forward now.
Hey, you're in reverse. Or disregard. All the way up here.
That boy making hell of call outs.
Hold it. Up here. Watch out. Right here. Stop.
Attempting to turn the vehicle.
Hey, provide cover for this civilian to get out.
Bro, he's so
Put
composed.
some spike strips right here.
Oh.
Back up.
What's that right there? He got. He instantly dropped that and pulled out his gun. At this point, he trying to kill them.
Hey, Sarge!
Damn. So they weren't trying to shoot at him for real. They really trying.
No!
Damn.
You guys good? Everyone good? Pull through!
Damn, getting a workout in today. Damn, imagine driving down the street and seeing all them damn police. You would think it's a movie scene. All them damn police just pulling up. Damn. Then look at him up. Come here. Knew not to shoot over the car or through the car. Get that jog in. Wheel and fell off. The wheel and fell off and some more, man. It's over with for the truck. SUV. Man down. He out. He without 2 wheels, I think. This literally look like a movie. Like being that white truck right there, that white van, you would be like, bro, what the fuck am I seeing? Look, wheel fell right off. Damn.
Hey, grab some less lethal now. Grab. Hey, Frazier, give me eye cover. On this side, 1 shooter, 1 less.
Okay, hey, Santiago, get off on the L-ramp and make this lap.
I wonder what makes them make them calls, though. Damn.
We're gonna get you some medical help, man. Got his arm.
Damn.
Let me grab his leg. I got his arm. Alright, let's handcuff him.
No! Don't use that! Use the cup!
Okay, handcuff. Okay, handcuff. If we need to get him on the ground, let's get him on the ground.
Damn.
Want to get him on the ground?
No!
I know he filled up, though.
Got one arm.
But he ain't that hurt, though, if he yelling that loud.
I got this one. I got his right arm. Got his right arm. You can let go. Let go.
Desde el principio y como siglos de los siglos. Amén.
Oh, he crashed out.